Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ManyChat for lead generation in 2026. Whether you're collecting emails, generating sales inquiries, or growing your customer list, ManyChat makes the process simple and automated. So let's get started. First, open ManyChat in your web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure your Facebook page or Instagram account is already connected before creating your automation. Next, go to the automation section and click Create New Flow ****. Yeah, this is where you'll build your lead generation funnel. Now choose a trigger such as a keyword, Instagram comment, Facebook Messenger message, QR code, or a link that starts the conversation. Then create a friendly welcome message to engage your visitors. After that, add *user input blocks to collect information like the visitor's name, email address, phone number, or any other details you need. You can automatically save this information and even send it to your CRM or Google Sheets using integrations. Finally, test your automation to make sure all the information is collected correctly. Once everything works as expected, publish the flow and start capturing leads automatically. And that's it. You've successfully created a lead generation automation with ManyChat. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.